from ReviewOutlaw.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn $2,500 into $3,000 in 30 days using option trading. So I basically started day one, put on some trades, put credit spreads, and just basic simple trades. I had $2,500 started an account. I wanted to see how much I could grow that, and basically grew it to about $500 in 30 days. And I'm going to keep doing that and take $3,000 and see how high I can grow that, and just keep going every month. Basically, I did a total for the month about 20 trades. I would close out at about 50% profit. I put in the trade around a 70% probability of profit in the trade, and the credits would vary from 50 cents credit to a dollar credit, and when I say that, you need to multiply that up by 100, so you get $50, $100 credit. And I basically close that out at 50%. I try to use my buying power capital to its best. So basically the max I would lose would be at $250 to potentially $500 would be the max loss I would want to take on a size account this big. So I'm going to show you 4 trades, not all of them because that would be kind of boring, but just 4 trades, how I did them, so you can get some ideas. And you could probably put the same trades in today, as long as the probability of profit and the profit was the same. It'd probably be good to put in. You also want to look at IV rank when you put them in as well. That would give you some edge as well. And then I'll show you a recap at the end, kind of showing you profit and a couple other ideas I have for you guys. All right, you guys have any questions about the video, feel free to put them at the end. Thanks.
Okay, so I'm going to put in trade on Amazon. They do have earnings coming up, but that's okay. So basically, I'm selling a short vertical put spread. So I'm selling to open the 855, and I'm buying the 850 put. So my total credit is $1.50, and then multiply by 100, so $150. Probability of hitting 50% profit is 77%. I'd like to see it around 75 or above. My max loss is 350-ish. It's tweaking up and down. Just going to put it up to this and lock it in at 150. And just going to review and send this. Just looking at the total credit here and making sure that these are the correct numbers here. And I'm going to send this order. Hey guys, I'm looking to put an order in of FXE. I'm looking at doing an iron condor. So the price right now is 103.47. I'm looking, start at the top, I'm looking to sell a put here at the $97 price range. So I'm looking to buy that, and I'm looking to sell the put at 101. And then on the call side, I'm looking to sell a call at the 106 and buy a call at the 109. And my probability of profit is 60%. Probability of profit is hitting 50% is 76%. Max loss is 606. That's because I'm doing a quantity of 2. So I'm going to just tweak this down just a bit because I'm not getting filled on this order before. And my theta is at $2.70 a day in theta, which is nice. So review the amounts here. Buying power affected 618. My credit here. And let's send this order. And that's going to work a little bit. Hey guys, I'm going to show you a put vertical spread in Lululemon. So earnings just came out, Lululemon dropped, so I'm looking at doing a vertical put spread. So basically my assumption is that Lululemon's going to rise in price, it just dropped dramatically in price. I'm selling to open a $50 put and buying to open a 47.50 transaction. So we can look at my probability of profit is 63%. Probability of profit to hitting 50% is 80. So I'm gonna, and my max loss is 279. So I'm gonna up the quantity to 2 here, and I'm gonna try to take off the profit at the midpoint here. I'm gonna lock in this price, hit review and send, which is verify everything. Gonna reduce my buying power effect by $344. My net credit is 156, and then in my 2 legs right here, everything else looks good. Hey, so I want to show you my SPY trade. It's an iron condor as well, and basically I'm buying a 252 put. I'm selling the 229 put. I'm buying the 242 call, and I'm selling the 246. Sorry, swap those. I'm selling the 242 call, and I'm buying the 246 call. And so basically, it's a neutral position. So I kind of wanted to stay in the middle here. My probability of profit is 52%, but my probability of hitting 50% is 77%. Max loss is 558, and my credit is going to be $1.21 multiplied by 100, so $121. I'm putting 2 of these in, so there's 2. I'm going to just tweak it down just a bit because I'm not getting filled at the mid. So I'm going to go tweak it down and just review all my buying power effect and things like that. So it basically my credit, and then because I'm doing 2, it's $2.40. And let's send this order. And I'm going to hit send order. Oh, beautiful, that got filled. Okay, so now that I've set up these 4 trades, I'm going to set up them to automatically close once I hit 50% profit. So to do that, I'm going to go over the trade. So basically, I'm going to click on the trade itself, double click the legs, right click, hit close position. So right now it would close around the same price I opened it for. So I'm going to cut that in half. So I'll do like 0.75. Just actually 1.74. And instead of the day, I'm just going to do good until cancel. So, and I can choose a date. This is a week from now. I'm going to do, let's do 3 weeks from now. And at that point, if it hasn't closed out yet, I'm going to take another look at it. I'm going to need to roll it or figure out what I want to do with it. So I'm going to double check all my numbers here and review and send that. So my costs, double check that, cool. So of course nothing's going to happen, but I'll have, if I'm not looking at my trades and this thing drops real quick, boom, it's going to close out. So I'm going to do the same thing for these guys by just looking at my net liquidity and basically dividing that in half is kind of what I want to put my number at. Close positions.
Okay guys, here I want to show you my profit after 30 days. So I started basically about 30 days or 31 days ago, 331. So it's been exactly around 31 days, around a month. My profit right now is $494, basically almost $500 in 1 month. So I made $500 in 1 month, starting with $2,500. This would be my net liquidation value right now. So that's pretty good. So if I click my balances, actually I have more than that in cash, but I have a couple of new positions open. So depending on how these guys close, in the next 30 days, I'll probably have even more money. So I'm going to just keep you updated on this status. Now, I want to walk you through my first couple trades just to tell you, just kind of show you what happened. So I entered the trade here on 331, and I closed them around 50% profit each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all closed at 50% profit, which is great news. Now that's not going to happen all the time because I'm opening the trades at around 75 to 85 probability of profit at a 50% close rate. So a good rate, but if I do 10 transactions, 2 of those are probably going to fail, maybe break even, or potentially lose some money. But overall, after I open those 4 positions up, I continue to open up other positions, as you can see. So it constantly be using my option buying power. As you can see right now is only $65. If I didn't have any positions on, that'd be $2,500. So you want to use this as much as you can to using your buying power performance. Now, for some reason, if all my positions went the wrong way, I could potentially be in some trouble. So, only do this with money that is excess and you can afford to lose. You don't want to not be able to afford your rent or something like that. But this in 1 month is pretty good returns. About 20%. So that's cool. And some months you can have better months, other months you could be even or even lose money. But I just want to show you guys the power of options. I'm not gonna show you all these different trades, but pretty much I made similar-esque trades as the first 4 trades I made in these other things: Spiders, Tesla, TLT, Visa, VIX, things like that. So basically, made sure there's a good probability of profit. Opened it up and closed it all at 50% with an automatic close. So if you guys have any questions about this, if you guys do this yourselves, if you guys have any other questions for me, feel free just to leave it in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you have time, please subscribe to my channel, click here to watch more videos, or please give me a thumbs up. Thanks.